Hi, I'm Hank. I paraglide in the living and push cars to the limit. What's up, guys? So it is the next day, and as you saw, we did install the seats here. I just left it there. We do have an issue where I guess you can call it the dashboard, is too close. Even just for safety, but also it's too close where the driver can't even put his legs. So I think you're cutting this and putting it here to this bar. Just not an issue, just moving it back. Then we also noticed that the gearbox is kind of faulty here, the gear shift, because it's not, the weld spots have come out, so it's kind of wiggling behind here. So I guess let's go do that. What we'll also do is, this is our plan intentionally anyway, this frame here has this kind of L shape, and so we're going to go ahead and cut this probably later on, so the seats here could actually fit, and clean this space so it's all the way at the back, which is better for more legroom and more space consumption, I guess you could say. So I guess let's get to that.